Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and here we're going to create a simple project that will help us to expand strings from A to Z depending on the specific input. Alright, so here we're going to ask user to input first letter and second letter, and then we'll go ahead and expand that based on the input. And let's go ahead and say str1 is equal to input, and go ahead and say insert first or insert starting letter. Then str2 insert ending letter. I don't know the better ways to use for this. That's why I just use insert starting letter and ending letter. Then go ahead and use a while loop. Maybe you can make that to be better off. Let's go ahead and say str1 greater than or equal to str2. Then we go ahead and print out str1, and we have to expand that. Therefore you go ahead and use end, and then go ahead and say str1 is equal to char. So print out the characters. So print out the characters and pass in the value of odd, and then this has the value of str1 plus 1. Now let's go ahead and print out the values. Go ahead and print, and then let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Okay, so go ahead and run this code and insert the starting letter. Let's say I want to start from F, and then I want to end that in M, and hit enter, and that is FG. You start from F and print out the letters between these. Let's go ahead and start from A. Start from A to Z. Alright, and that printed from A to Z. Now I can start from D and end in U. And can you see that it starts from Z and ended in U? That is why I said insert starting letter and insert ending letter. So if you know the best word to use, go ahead and use that. And that is the end of this. So go ahead and put it down on your own system, play around with it, and check out more on that. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.